My name is Rob Wrighter, Vice President of Hancock Telephone.
Craig Smith, and the company name is MGW Communications and then MGW Telephone.
Small, independent, family-owned since 1898, over 100 years now. We're right on the New York-Pennsylvania border.
Small, independent company in western part of Virginia. I have been in the phone business since I was 4 years old.
First independent in New York to put in the C15. Approximately 1,500 access lines. We do voice, video, and data.
We're a company of like a little bit less than 2,000 lines, landlines, and now just with the fiber alone, we have access to over 800 businesses and have gotten not most of them, but more than half of them in the 3 different areas that we serve.
We've been serving a lot of the larger businesses. We've been doing direct fiber connections for voice and data, and they're the ones that we're transitioning over to the IP phone and hosted solutions out of the C15.
So we actually have dial tone and internet in a college in New Hampshire, and so we provide the whole phone system and everything, and it comes all the way back into Virginia.
It's a great integrated solution where all the software is sitting right on the C15 and the AP Max. They work well together. The portals for the voicemail, where they can control all their voicemail, where we don't have to get in the mix of it, so it saves a lot of our customer service rep time.
We serve colleges. We also serve 7 hospitals with some different variety of applications that we use.
When we cut, basically it was seamless. We flipped the switch. The DMS-10 was shut off. C15 was turned on. Customers didn't know it. We saved, I think it was about 50 amps of electricity overnight just by throwing the switch. So cost savings was there. Same interfaces for the DMS-10 for the C15, so our customer service reps had no training. I had no additional training, my engineers, because everything was the same, so it worked out really well.